Hi folks, I'm excited to share this resource from the BFI. The BFI is the British Film Institute, and the BFI is the UK's leading organization for archiving film, television, music, and what they call the moving image. So this page is called Inside Afrofuturism, a Sonic Companion, and the introduction reads, "From Sun Ra and Public Enemy to Flying Lotus and Janelle Monáe, Black musicians have adapted the themes and iconography of science fiction to imagine alternative Black realities. Take a trip through the weird and wonderful world of Afrofuturism with our musical guide." And what you'll see here is that they have set this up so that you get images and then descriptions, including some historical context, and then samples of the music. In some cases, with the older music in particular, they have the entire recording. So, for example, starting with the foundational Sun Ra, you can see that it asks you to log into Spotify. You can X out of the Spotify, or in the case of where it has just samples, you can log into Spotify to hear the entire thing. And they've got some Parliament. I really wanted to linger there for a while, but we have to move on. So lots of descriptions, links of different sorts, bio links, lots and lots of samples. And it includes contemporary music as well. So, for example, we've got Fear of the Black Planet. And as you can see, that's just a very short sample there, and the Spotify dialog box will open up. So if folks want to listen to the entire thing, they can go there. So it's pretty in-depth. And then in addition, a really cool resource that is attached to this is this education and research link that has educational resources, classroom resources for teachers, student resources, and that sort of thing. So this is already generating quite a few ideas about what I could do to link ideas of, music, lyrics, lyrical images as a kind of text, as a kind of literature. So I'm very excited about this resource, and I hope you'll find it useful. Thanks.